Hey guys, we are on our way to Sedona, and we're actually in Quartzsite. We're just outside of Quartzsite. I've never been to Quartzsite, Arizona, and it's just a big RV city. It's just a bunch of RV parks in the middle of the desert. It's very funky. Anyways, we pulled outside of it, a little more east, and here we are, just pulled off on the side of the road. It's beautiful. We're in the middle of the desert on our way to Sedona. We had a great time meeting up with my friend in Palm Springs. And so we got up early this morning and hit the road, and now we're just going to have lunch. So we got our salads that we're doing here, and then we're going to do a little bit of Nana Jude's chicken soup, and that came from our HomeChef. And then we had a little bit of leftover lunch for Kung Pao chicken. So that's going to be our lunch. We got full power. We've got good solar energy here, and the batteries are at 100% because we've been going down the road. So here we go. I got to tell you, man, Highway 10 is bumpy, bumpy, bumpy. I mean, the Panoramic kind of smooths it all out, but it has been bumpy. I'm happy to report that since we left San Francisco, we're getting about 18.5, 19 miles per gallon. Now, granted, I'm only going 60 miles an hour. When I'm on the road, I don't drive really fast, and a lot of that was traffic in LA. But on the freeway, I noticed when I'm just going 60 flat on the freeway, I'm getting between 18 and 19, little high 18s, maybe 19 miles per gallon. So I'm happy with that. The old one, Panoramic that I had, well, this is interesting. Look at this. It's all in a bag. Got a little bit less than that. I'd say probably 10-15% less than that. So I don't know if it's the new transmission that works a little bit better, but it's nice. I'll take it. Let's figure this out here. So it comes in this thing, and then it comes in a plastic thing, which helps in the RV because it means there's probably not going to be any spillage, which is good. I should just mix this up just to get it all good and mixed up in there. Refrigerator's been working great. It is cold and just really, it's been working just fantastic. So happy about that. All right, let's see here now. Can I get this? We're just going to heat it up in the microwave. That back in there. And it's quiet outside, huh?
Yeah.
Let me give more noodles into this one. A little more broth into that one. All right, I think we're good. Can you imagine, like, if this microwave were on the ground? Like, I've seen some RVs where the microwave's down below. Can you imagine, like, doing that? It's crazy. All right, let's just set that in, get that going. Then this one. So one thing about me, like I'm a little bit anal. Well, we both kind of are, which is good, but anal about keeping things organized and clean in the RV. So, should I put this back in the fridge?
Yeah.
Do you want any cheese or anything? Do you want a drink? You want one of these ginger?
I'll take one of those.
These are really good, by the way. This is a sparkling cranberry ginger from Trader Joe's, and they're really, really good. They're very gingery. So. Should we put the dressing on?
Yeah, it's no wait till like.
Okay. Oh, I'm going to put the table out. Okay. Or do you want to just sit in the captain's chair and I'll sit on this side?
Yeah,
okay. I'm going to. Bon appetit. Guys, that is good chicken noodle soup from HomeChef. Isn't it good?
Yeah, it's
like
delicious.
Big chunks of chicken. It's like grandma's chicken noodle soup. And it's super easy on the road, like we did, because you can just pop it in the microwave. And the way they package it, they double seal it, so they put it in a plastic bag that's inside your typical soup container, so it's not going to spill like inside the refrigerator. So thumbs up on that. But thank you for the salad. We'll see you later. Right, we are parked at a temporary rest area here in the middle of the desert. They have the main rest area shut down, so they have this temporary one set up, and we are making dinner. Julio's in there making pulled pork and white bean soup. So that's what we're having for dinner tonight. Right, we're about 45 minutes from Sedona, so that's where we'll be camping tonight. But we have to do our dinner now because we do the intermittent fasting, and it's 6 o'clock, so we gotta get our dinner in before our fasting period starts. All right, we'll see you later. Hey everyone, all right, this is the meal that Julio whipped up for us. What is it, Julio? Pulled pork,
chili,
white bean chili that we made. It's a home chef kit, and we're just here at this temporary rest stop in the middle of the desert in Arizona, on our way to Sedona. So happy eating. Bye. Chilly here in Sedona. It's 28 degrees out. You can see the frost here, but the van, we have it hooked up to shore power because we wanted to, it's a part of the shakedown test, we wanted to make sure that all the systems are working properly, so we're connected it up here to 30 amp, and we have all the heating on the inside using Truma off of electrical, so we've cut off the gas and we're just using electrical just to make sure that that's all working. But yeah, we're toasty warm inside, and so far so good. Today we're gonna go to do some hiking and check out Red Rock, and then after we check out from here, we're gonna do some dispersed camping and go into the off-road a little bit, down some forest roads, and we found a really pretty spot, so we'll check that out. So we're giving the Panoramic a proper shakedown test. We're on this forest road in Coconino National Forest, and we're about 3 miles in or 6 miles in from the road behind us. We came in through the side. Take a slight left turn onto North Longview Road. And it's beautiful here, but this is all dispersed camping. This is federal land, and so it was a little bit bumpy here. This is a little bit smoother here. But the GPS, we have a GPS location for a site that, like a YouTube. In 1.2 miles, keep left onto Bradshaw Road. YouTube guy had posted, so we're gonna go check it out. This road's a lot smoother right now. Okay, this is our dispersed camping spot in Coconino National Forest here in Arizona. And we are remote. Yeah, for those of you interested in coming here, I mean, it's not too bad. It's about 3-4 miles in on a kind of dirt gravel road, a forest road. But I think it'll be well worth it. Tonight it's going to be beautiful to see the stars. We did have a slight mishap. We do have a neighbor, but all the jostling and stuff caused one of the arms to the awning to become undone, and so when I extended the awning, it came down and scratched the side of the van, but it's no big deal. I don't think it's any big deal. I keep telling myself that. I don't think it's any big deal. Anyways, there we have it. So we're going to just kind of enjoy the evening here and set some lawn chairs out. Then we're going to make an early dinner and just kind of kick back and relax. All right, guys, I just took my first shower in the Panoramic, and I have to tell you, it's 100% better than the shower in my Pleasure Way Ascent. The bathroom is just larger, and just there, I mean, there's more elbow room, and I was able to just move around better. And I love these controls here because I can set the temperature once and then just easily adjust how much water flow I want from here. And a nice big shower head, I can just put it back. But it was 100% better than in the Ascent. So thumbs up to Panoramic for creating a great bathroom. But I always knew it would be because it is larger. But yeah, that was my first time. Good morning. It is sunrise at the Coconino National Forest. We're getting ready to pack up and leave our dispersed camping spot. There are hot air balloons out there, and the sun's just coming up. It was cold last night, I think below freezing, but we are nice and toasty warm in here. Giulio had his electric blanket on, and I didn't. It's too warm for me, but it kept him nice and toasty warm. This is pretty far out. This was pretty rough and rocky roads, not having a four-wheel drive. And then there was a little incident with the awning when we got here. All the jostling of the van, one of the awning arms had unpinned itself, and so when I extended the awning out, the arm fell out, and I didn't know it. And this is why they tell you not to have the sliding door open when you're extending the awning, so you should listen to the manual. The sliding door was open, and so when that arm fell out, it got caught behind the sliding door, and then it couldn't, one side of the awning kept extending and the other side of the awning didn't. And so I caught it in time, and I don't think there was any damage or anything like that, but just be aware that keep the sliding door closed. So yeah, we're gonna head into Sedona and see what that's all about. We'll see you there. Bye.